Today, we're introducing Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G, the ultimate Redmi Note. Of course, that means Pro Plus 5G comes with ultimate features across the board, giving you the best Redmi Note has to offer. Let's take a look. Ultimate charging with 120-watt hypercharge. That's hyper-fast charging, which surpasses nearly every smartphone in the market. Ultimate performance, powered by the 5G-enabled MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor. An ultimate 108MP camera. And 120Hz AMOLED display, paired with powerful dual speakers to give you an ultimate audio-visual experience. These specs are so incredible that they even surpass most specs on a flagship device, like in camera and charging, while matching in categories like display and battery size. And compared to an even newer competitor in the market, the difference is just night and day. Now, Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G is going to be available from just $369 for the 6 plus 128GB variant. That massive difference in price, next to matching or even better specs on Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G, makes it the ultimate contender in value as well. And the result, it's the same even with other competitors. That's not all. We have two more variants for Pro Plus 5G, an 8 plus 128GB variant, and 8 plus 256GB variant, for $399 and $449 respectively. Now, availability and prices may vary between markets and channels, so make sure you follow up with your local social media channels for more information. Now, as a special surprise, to bring the ultimate value Redmi Note has to offer, Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G will be available at an early bird price of as low as $349 for the 6 plus 128GB variant. So, to that note, our second device to join the Redmi Note 11 family today is Redmi Note 11S 5G. So, Redmi Note 11S 5G is the performance racer with a 5G-powered MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset. Powerful performance features like 33-watt pro fast charging, paired with a massive 5,000 mAh battery and 90Hz adaptive sync display, along with other experience features you know and love, like a versatile 50MP main camera, dual speakers, and flagship X-axis linear motor. And don't worry, all the other essentials are there as well, like NFC and the fan favorite headphone jack. And compared to an even newer competitor in the market, well, just take a look for yourself. The difference is night and day. And for the price, from April 6th to 8th on AliExpress only, we're also launching Redmi 10 5G. Redmi 10 5G is our most accessible 5G device yet, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700, and packaged in an incredible new design that's like nothing we've seen before, including a super futuristic textured wave-back design that not only looks amazing, but feels awesome in hand. Now, Redmi 10 5G also packs a full HD plus 90Hz adaptive sync display and a 2+ day 5,000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging. Lastly, an essential 50MP dual camera, perfect for capturing your everyday shots. Now, Redmi 10 5G is going to be available from a recommended retail price of $199. And for the other variant, Redmi 10 5G is $229 for the 4 plus 128GB variant.